Hello dear students, I am Sonali Patil, Assistant Professor in Adhyapak Mahavidyalaya in Vadgaon Mawal, Pune. Today we are going to see a brief introduction of B.Ed CET syllabus on topic mental ability means मानसिक क्षमता. Dear students, we are going to start introduction to B.Ed CET syllabus. Mental ability means मानसिक क्षमता. In that, we are going to see first series अंकमालिका, second coding and decoding सांकेतिक भाषा, third analogy सारखेपणा, fourth classification वर्गीकरण and fifth blood relationship नातेसंबंध. Now we are going to start from series अंकमालिका. What are number series questions? Number series aptitude questions present you with mathematical sequences that follow a logical rule based on elementary arithmetic. In these questions, a sequence of numbers called terms are presented with one or more missing elements. कोणत्या ना कोणत्या सूत्राने किंवा नियमाने तयार करण्यात आलेल्या संख्येच्या मालिकेला अंकमालिका किंवा संख्यामालिका असे म्हणतात. अंकमालिकेवर आधारित प्रश्न सोडविताना प्रश्नाचे दिलेल्या मालिकेतील संख्यांचे निरीक्षण करून त्यातील अंकांचा संबंध शोधावा. म्हणजेच समान, फरक, वर्ग, घन, वजाबाकी इत्यादी प्राथमिक गणिती क्रिया असतात. Dear students, remember, while solving examples on series, find the relation between two consecutive numbers. There is a constant increasing or decreasing difference, square, cube, odd, even numbers, etc. given in the number series. You are then asked to find the rule that connects them to each other. After you have detected the rule, you can then deduce the missing numbers. संख्या मालिकेचे वैशिष्ट्य असे की यामधील सर्व संख्या कोणत्या तरी सूत्राने एकमेकांशी बद्ध असतात. सर्वसाधारणपणे संख्या मालिकेमध्ये वर्गसूत्र, घनसूत्र, मूळ संख्या, नैसर्गिक संख्या यांचा उपयोग करून मालिका तयार केलेली असते. Dear students, we are going to see now examples on series. Complete the series. अंकमालिका पूर्ण करा. First 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. This is given series. These are options 15, 18, 14, 16. In this series, we observe that 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. That means our answer is 16. Here we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are added in each term respectively. So final answer is option D is 16. Next example, second, 81, 27, 9, 3, missing number. Options 5, 1, 2, 4. In this series we see from right to left 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. That means we have to get 1 3s are 3. That means 1. Our answer is option B. Here each term is multiplied by 3 from right to left. Final answer option B is 1. Third example, given series 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, missing number. Options 15, 17, 19, 25. We see in this series these are all prime numbers, म्हणजेच ही संख्या मालिका मूळ संख्येची तयार झालेली आहे. मूळ संख्या म्हणजे ज्या संख्येला कोणत्याही संख्येने भाग न जाता त्याच संख्येने भाग जातो अशा संख्या. 13 नंतरची मूळ संख्या 17 आहे, यामुळे उत्तर 17 हे आहे. ऑप्शन बी इज द आन्सर, म्हणजेच ऑप्शन बी 17. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, 4, 7, 14, 23, missing number 47. These are options 28, 34, 36, 40. We see here some relation between two numbers. That means 2 square 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 3 square is 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 square means 16 plus 7 is 23. Next term 5 square means 25 plus 9 is 34. The answer is option B, 34. Here formula is used, that means n square plus odd numbers. याचाच अर्थ या संख्या मालिकेमध्ये n स्क्वेअर प्लस विषम संख्या या सूत्राचा उपयोग करण्यात आला आहे. म्हणून आपलं उत्तर ऑप्शन बी. Dear student, now see second point, coding and decoding, सांकेतिक भाषा. Coding, decoding is simplest and scoring chapter of reasoning. Whenever you face this type of easy questions, never skip them. सांकेतिक भाषेतील उदाहरणे सोडविताना प्रथम त्या उदाहरणातील अक्षरांना देण्यात आलेले सांकेतिक क्रमांक विचारात घ्यावेत. त्या सांकेतिक क्रमांकाच्या आधारे आपणास प्रश्न सोडविता येतात. Dear students, remember, first of all we should know the positioning, that means in numerical value and opposite of all alphabets. The below given diagram explain itself. यात कोणतीही अक्षरमालिका सोडविताना खालील तक्त्याचा आधार घ्यावा. A to Z alphabets and each alphabet denoted by numbers 1 to 26 and also 26 to 1. Now we see the examples on coding and decoding. First example, एका सांकेतिक भाषेत A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, Z is equal to 26, तर BR बरोबर किती? ऑप्शन्स हे दिलेले आहेत. 24118, 25118, 23118, 25119. या वरील उदाहरणात आपण निरीक्षण केल्यास A ते Z पर्यंतचे नंबर दिलेले आहेत. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, Z is equal to 26. यानुसार BR शब्द लिहिल्यास B is equal to 2, E is equal to 5, A is equal to 1, R is equal to 18 हा सांकेतिक क्रमांक येईल. That means 25118 is option B. Next example, second. In a certain code, bomb is written as 5745 and Bay is written as 529. How is Bombay written in that code? Given options 574529, 574528, 574628, 574629. In this example, use the numbers to relate the words. First, write Bombay, then write the codes of each letter: B5, O7, M4, B5, B5, A2, Y9. Then write the word Bombay. Take the each letter code: B for 5, 5, O 7, M 4, B 5, A 2, Y 9. The code becomes 574529 is the option A. 57459. Answer is A. Next example, third. एका सांकेतिक लिपीत and is equal to 19, the but is equal to what? Options 52, 40, 43, 45. या वरील उदाहरणात प्रत्येक अक्षराला A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, Z is equal to 26 यानुसार क्रमांक देण्यात आले आहेत. यानुसार and या तीन अक्षरांच्या ठिकाणी येणाऱ्या क्रमांकांची बेरीज केल्यास ती 19 येते. यानुसार but या अक्षराच्या ठिकाणी येणाऱ्या अक्षरांची बेरीज केल्यास ती 43 येईल. A and D, A for 1, N for 14, D for 4 is equal to 19. For but, B for 2, U for 21, T is equal to 20. That means total addition is 43. Our answer is option C is 43. Now we see the next point, analogy, सारखेपणा. In questions based on analogy, a particular relationship is given and another similar relationship has to be identified from the alternatives provided. Analogy tests are therefore meant to test a candidate's overall knowledge, the power of reasoning and ability to think concisely and accurately. सारखेपणा किंवा समसंबंध या शब्दाचा अर्थ असा आहे की दिलेल्या उदाहरणामध्ये पहिल्या दोन पदाचा आपापसात जो संबंध आहे तो संबंध दुसऱ्या दोन पदांमध्ये असतो. आपल्याला पहिल्या दोन पदांमधील संबंधांचा आधार घेऊन दिलेल्या पर्यायांमधून गाळलेले पद शोधायचे असते. Now we see the examples on analogy. First example, architect is building, so sculpture is what? Given options: museum, stone, chisel, statue. In this example, we see architect makes building, similarly sculpture makes statue. So the answer is option D, statue. Next example, second, paw is cat, so the hoof is equal to what? Given options: lamb, elephant, horse, lion. In this example, paw is the cat. As cat has paws, similarly the horse has hoof. So our option is C, horse. Next example, 36 is 216. So 81 is what? Given options: 512, 542, 632, 729. In this example, we observe वरील उदाहरणामध्ये पहिले पद हे 6 चा वर्ग आहे तर दुसरे पद 6 चा घन आहे. हा संबंध तिसऱ्या व चौथ्या पदाशी लावल्यास तिसरे पद हे 9 चा वर्ग आहे. यानुसार चौथे पद हे 9चा घन यायला हवे. यानुसार प्रश्नचिन्हाच्या जागी 7 to 9 हे उत्तर येईल. म्हणून आपले उत्तर 7 to 9 हे आहे. ऑप्शन D is 729. Now we see next topic, classification, वर्गीकरण. As we know that various objects possesses various properties, so we can group those objects who have properties common to all. This phenomena of grouping various objects on basis of their common properties is known as classification. Classification allows us to make a systematic and homogeneous group out of a heterogeneous group. Words classification. In this type of classification, different objects are classified on the basis of common features and properties. वर्गीकरण. दिलेल्या माहितीचे पृथक्करण करून त्यावर विचारलेल्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे देणे. या प्रकारच्या प्रश्नांमध्ये दिलेल्या 4 पर्यायापैकी 3 पर्याय हे एकमेकांशी सुसंगत असतात, पण एक पर्याय विसंगत असतो. विसंगत पर्याय म्हणजेच उत्तर होय. वर्गीकरणावरील उदाहरणे बघूया. चूज द ऑड वन. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, पारा, कास्य, चांदी आणि लोखंड या 4ही दिलेल्या पदार्थांचे निरीक्षण करता हे सगळे धातू आहेत असे दिसते. या धातूंमध्ये इतर 3 धातू हे स्थायू आहे, तर पारा हा द्रव धातू आहे. म्हणून आपले उत्तर ऑप्शन ए पारा. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, मर्क्युरी, ब्रॉन्झ, सिल्वर, आयर्न. In this example, mercury is a liquid metal, whereas all other are solid ones. So the option A is mercury is the answer. Next example, third, violet, indigo, pink, green. In this example, we see except pink, all other colors are present in rainbow. So our answer is C, pink. Fourth example, eyes, ears, kidney, liver. We see all our body parts. In this, except liver, all the body parts are available in pairs. So our option is B, liver. Fifth example, Babur, Akbar, Sher Shah, Aurangzeb. In this example, we see all are kings, except Sher Shah, all are Mughal kings. So, option C, Sher Shah is our answer. Sixth example, 17, 28, 64, 1331, 441. In this example, we observe except 441 all are perfect cubes. So our answer is D, 441. Now we see last topic, blood relationship, नाते संबंध. The blood relation questions are most probably based on a family member. The blood relation concept shows that how a person relates to the other members of the family. Questions are made by using blood relation tree, that means presenting relationship by a tree or chain in family members like father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, etc. So before you start solving the blood relations problems, learn about different kinds of blood relations in a family member. It will help you to solve the questions easily. रक्त नातेसंबंध यात नात्यांबाबत प्रश्न विचारले जातात. आई वडील, काका काकू, आजी आजोबा, मामा मामी, बहीण भाऊ इत्यादी परस्परांशी संबंधित असलेल्या नात्यांविषयी प्रश्न असतात. यात स्वतःशी तुलना करून चटकन नाते शोधता येते. नातेसंबंध. We see the chart. Mother's or father's son is mother's or father's daughter, mother's or father's brother. These are given relationships. We can observe and learn easily. Now see the examples on relations. First example, Prasanna said, "This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother." Who is Prasanna to the girl? Given options is husband, father, father-in-law, grandfather. In this example, Prasanna said the girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. That means Prasanna's mother's grandson is Prasanna's son. Prasanna's son's wife is daughter-in-law. Prasanna is father-in-law of the girl. That means the answer is option C, father-in-law. Second example, a woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? Given options, son, nephew, grandson, cousin. In this example, a woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. That means brother of mother, uncle, uncle's son, cousin. That means our answer is option D, cousin brother. Third example, रमाच्या मामाचा मुलगा श्याम आहे, तर श्यामची आई ही रमाची कोण? ऑप्शन्स, मामी, मावशी, बहीण, आई. यात रमाच्या मामाचा मुलगा श्याम, श्यामची आई ही मामाची पत्नी म्हणजेच रमाची मामी होय. म्हणून आपले उत्तर ऑप्शन अ, मामी. All the best for exam, dear students.